Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something that I've kind of wanted to do to the Corvette for a while. As you've seen in some of the other videos, I completely changed the interior in this car, changing it from black to red. And kind of one of the last things that I really wanted to take care of was getting another steering wheel for the car. Because it has the stock one, even though that's not really the stock one because the stock one got messed up. I'll show you some pictures of that now on screen, but the stock one got messed up. Be careful who you trust with your parts, people. That's all I'll say about that. But I got a Grip Royal steering wheel that I'm going to throw in the car that I really think is cool, which I probably already got some glamour shots. You might have already seen them, but here's the wheel. It's Alcantara. It's red. I really love it. I got it up at Road America at the Grid Life thing. So if you're familiar with that or you were there, maybe I saw you, maybe you saw me, maybe you saw this steering wheel. I don't know. It was there in the Chris Forsberg little booth area thing. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thrown on the car. We'll start by getting the old one off and let's go ahead and get it done.